It's September 4th, 2025. I'm Todd Dunn. Today I'm aboard my 1973 Allied Princess 36 Sequester. And I'm not going to take the boat out. We were out yesterday. My wife didn't want to go out today, even though it's a beautiful day to go for a sail. Now I'm here for some boat maintenance. A little different type of boat maintenance today. This is the mizzen sail cover, and you can see the stitching is giving up on the zipper, so I'm going to restitch a bit of that zipper, and so that won't pull off. I don't know if it's on both sides. Yeah, it's on both sides. So I've got some heavy duty thread that is UV resistant that I'm going to use, and we'll just stitch this up by hand. Okay, I got the first part restitched. I didn't go in and fill in between the stitches because this is a very heavy thread I'm using, and it's plenty strong. It may not look pretty, but it'll be okay for now. I will set up my sewing machine this winter, I think, and redo all the stitching with a lighter thread. I have one more bit to go on the other side, about 1.5 inches, and I'll be done. So that should only take a couple minutes. Okay, that's all stitched up. It may not be pretty, but it's strong, and it's going to last for quite a while. This is waxed twine, and the main thing I have left to do is the seam that runs along the top of the sail cover here. You can see the stitching is essentially invisible where the thread that's exposed to sun has given up, and the thread that isn't so exposed to sun is still holding it together. Take a look on the inside. See, there are 2 rows of stitching, and this is the one that's exposed to sun, where the thread is just dyed. The sun has killed it on the outside, and this line is not exposed to the sun, and it's still in good shape, and is what's holding it together. So what I intend to do is this winter I'll set the sewing machine up and restitch this entire line here, and that goes through 3 layers of sunbrella, so it would take forever to do that by hand, but I'll restitch it with the sewing machine, and then this sail cover should be good for another 7 or 8 years. So there are lots of different kinds of maintenance that you end up doing on a sailboat. This is yet another. I have restitched sails and everything. That's what this heavy twine was actually purchased for, was for restitching a sail. But and you can do a lot by hand. It may not be as pretty as machine sewing, but it's just as good, lasts just as well. So anyway, that was just a quick little project here this afternoon on the 4th of September 2025. We're supposed to have some rain possibly tomorrow and Saturday, so we're probably not going to go out again until Sunday or Monday, depending on how the weather looks and how my wife feels. Okay, thanks for watching, and wasn't much today, just a quick restitch. Actually, before I end this, I will walk around the dock a little bit. Okay, I'm walking back over, and a few boats are here. That's a Back Cove 29. This is, I'm not sure what this was. Let's see what it says. This is a Harrier, and it's about a 27 or 28. That's a Hinckley Picnic Boat Classic, a 36-footer, with the bow rail and a full cockpit awning, which is nice. This, I don't know what brand of boat this is, but it's here. Little Grady White, and a brand new Hinckley I think that one's probably a 43. Talaria 43. I was talking to the guys from Hinckley that were working on it an hour ago, and they said that it's scheduled for delivery to the owner tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So, brand new boat. See, I'll take a look at the number. Yes, it's a Hinckley 43. So these are nice boats. And we got a Nimbus C9. This style of boat started showing up here about 5-6 years ago, and there are half a dozen of them in the harbor now. Not all Nimbus. There's also a Polish brand of the same boat, or same style boat. This is an Ellis 36. It's set up for sport fishing, as you can see. So that's it for today. I'm just about out of battery, so I'm headed home, and I think tomorrow we're going to do another major maintenance thing, and that is I'm gonna fuel up the boat. It's been 13.3 hours of engine time since we last filled the fuel tank, and based on my average fuel consumption, I need just over 5 gallons. So I'm gonna get a jerry can and stop at the gas station and pick up 5 gallons of diesel and put it aboard tomorrow. So that's it for today. I'm all done on Sequester. The sail cover is stitched up and back on, and this winter we'll restitch the rest of it. So thanks for watching.